ties on the swearing-in ceremony of Modi 3.0 scheduled for tomorrow at 7:15 p.m. And from Tamil Nadu, senior leaders including Tamilisai Soundararajan, state BJP President Annamalai have all left for New Delhi to attend the swearing-in. And speculation in Tamil Nadu is rife that Annamalai and Tamilisai are currently being considered to be part of the Modi 3.0 cabinet, and that's the speculation that's been doing the rounds here, while a section of the BJP cadre are hoping that Annamalai and Tamilisai be given some position in the new government. That's the speculation that's doing the rounds in Tamil Nadu. Meanwhile, both the leaders have in fact said that they are only going to attend the swearing in and they are not expecting much and do not want to comment on the speculation that's been doing the rounds in Tamil Nadu for the last 24 hours. And this also comes at a time when a section of the disgruntled BJP cadre, some of the BJP leaders have taken to social media platforms saying that had the BJP been in an alliance with the AIADMK, then the DMK and its allies would not have swept elections, and in fact blamed Annamalai for the AIADMK snapping ties with the BJP, saying that because of Annamalai, the AIADMK and the BJP split, leading to a sweep for the DMK and its allies. Some of them in fact have maintained that it's because of Annamalai. Meanwhile, a section of the BJP functionaries say that because of Annamalai, the party has grown. In fact, the NDS performance this time in terms of vote share is around 20%, and for the BJP alone it's around 11%, and that's much better than the BJP's performance in 2019 when the BJP secured around 5% vote share. So clearly different voices coming in from the BJP. And remember, Annamalai's tenure as the state president of the BJP is coming to an end this month. It's been 3 years since Annamalai became the president in 2019. Annamalai joined the BJP. 2021, he was made the president of the party, and since then we've seen Annamalai taking on the DMK, alleging corruption against senior leaders, against the first family of MK Stalin, and also trying to improve the BJP's presence, while all of them expected that the NDA could perhaps get anywhere between 1 and 3 seats. This time the NDA did not win even a single seat, but the vote share certainly has improved, and that's the stance that Annamalai has maintained, that despite snapping ties with the BJP in fact had secured second position in 12 places and has done better than the AIADMK, especially in constituencies like Coimbatore, South Chennai and Central Chennai, saying that the BJP has certainly grown. And Annamalai says that he does not want to dwell deeper into whether the BJP would have performed better had it been in an alliance with the AIADMK, saying that the sole objective of Annamalai is to ensure that the BJP grows and that he and the party will work harder and ensure that the next parliament elections, the BJP will definitely send MPs from Tamil Nadu.